Welcome back to my shed, and this video is just going to be a quick one. It's going to be a pumpkin for Halloween. I found this old 1x1. It came off a crate. There's still some of the crate holes in it from where it was bottled together. But hopefully going to use this to make a quick pumpkin, and hope you stay around and see what it looks like afterwards. Let's get started. Started out by marking 15 centimeters. I cut two lengths at this length, and then I cut another length that's slightly longer but with a 15-degree angle on it, which will then make the stalk. I glued together a bit of super glue and wood glue just to help speed things up, clamped it for 5 minutes. Then I gave it a quick sand to remove any sharp edges. Next I grabbed the dark brown wood stain I had, and then taped up the rest of the pumpkin just to try and make sure I protect it from getting any spillage. But as you find out in a minute, that it actually did leak through slightly. Pretty much wipe on and wipe off just to give the wood a nice brown tint. Now I grabbed some orange paint. It's just a standard tester pot that came from one of the big box stores we have in the UK. I mixed it with a little bit of water to help thin it down. Gave it a good mix. And then brushed it on all over the pumpkin. I didn't let it sit on there very long at all. I pretty much wiped it straight off after applying it. Wasn't completely happy with the outcome, but I did touch up a bit more, and so knowing me, I decided I'd grab the blowtorch and light the thing on fire. It's added some nice contrast on the orange. Still wasn't 100% happy with it, so I grabbed a bit of sandpaper and started trying to distress the orange. Still not happy with it, so I grabbed my sander and give it a good old sand, which distressed the orange very nicely. Next I grabbed some string, looped it around the top and then the bottom of the actual stalk to hide the join between the brown and the orange. Gave it a nice little bow, and I think we're done there. I did also make a smaller one out of the same piece of wood, so I managed to get two out of that one bit of wood, and I think the outcome looks great. Hope you liked the video, and if you could give me a thumbs up, that'd be great. If you want to see what else I'm getting up to in the shed, then follow me on Instagram, the link will be down below. And here's a picture of the pumpkins with the cats I made as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.